Hey guys, we're live at 10:15, battling for Spencer's Gunner figure. There he is. I got 25 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Copy him in here, paste him in there. 1 through 25. Going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 at least, which we did. We got an 8, so we're good to play. Good luck, guys. Nice looking figure. Patrick, round 1. Scott, 2. Gary, 3. Phil takes round 4. Gary in the top spot for round 5. Matt Johnson, 6. Jamie, round 7. And our winner is Jamie Bosk Smith in at number 15. Congratulations, Jamie. SALTWO is our verification. Jamie in at number 15 is the victor. And I'm done at 10:16 p.m. There you see it. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.